Welcome to part 3 of me breaking down the earning potential between the 3 licensing or unlicensed types here in the state of Oregon. If you haven't checked out part 1 and 2, go ahead and watch those videos so you can understand what you're seeing on the screen here. It goes a deep dive into these numbers here on the screen. But in this video, we're going to look at the certified family and maxing your earning potential for the CF license, the certified family license, which here in Oregon is the largest license type that you can have as a home child care provider. In Oregon, you can have up to 16 children. Of course, with that amount of children, you're going to now have to bring in a minimum of 1 other staff member. So therefore, you kind of get into this employer RAM, which comes with its own expenses. So of course, the money that it takes to pay that staff member, the taxes, the workman's comp insurance, you may want to offer benefits to that staff member and so forth and so on. However, the earning potential of the CF will definitely give you the revenue that you need for that staff member and give you a big boost as well. So let's look at it. We're going to assume that you have 1 full-time person working with you with this certified family. So let's max out the earning potential for the CF license. And let me cut in here for a moment to show you the teacher to student ratios for a CF license here in the state of Oregon.